We're back in the Panatracker Pocket Controller Pro user interface, and we're about to look at Create Production. So to look at Create Production, we'll click on the button that says Create Production. In here we can find the MOs that we had created in our last segment, and MO 58 is in the list. Since we had issued inventory to that MO, we can receive against it, and we can receive against it with our handheld device. So it gives you an opportunity to put in the bin that you're going to receive into. So we'll go ahead and pick a bin. When the bin shows up as the only one selected, that's because of what we have in the window. So if we were to clear that back, now you can see that the list is filtered. I'm going to pick that bin and then put in a quantity of 1. So we're going to receive 1 of these. Okay? What does that look like on the portal? If we go to the portal and we click on Create Production Unit, we should see our transaction. Here it is. So again, in our Panatracker Preferences window, we have an opportunity to use a timer that would put that inventory Create Production to use, or we can run it manually. So we'll run it manually here, and there we go. There's our MO receipt transaction. When it's done, you can go back into the portal and refresh it, and it should show succeeded. A nice thing about this too is you can actually drill down and find more information about the production.